You know, pattern, that means MCQ, right? Next one BSQ, SQ, and LSQ. This is the pattern. So LQ, oh not LSQ, long short question, what a joke, right? LQ. MSQ, BSQ, SQ, LQ. If I start giving you according to our question pattern, then it will take long time to do, because you need to do other subjects also, right? Thinking that, I thought it's better to provide you questions of maximum 25 marks. 25 marks means you can complete that within 50 minutes. So you have to separate 50 minutes time for science. Understood or not? Okay, minimum. So MCQ, 4 questions. How many? 4 questions. The BSQ, 2 questions. How many became? And LQ, 2 questions. I think if we do here 3, it is better. 3 questions. And SQ, 3 questions. If so, 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. Here 1 4 1 3. 12 plus 6 18. 18 plus 7 25. So see how easily it became, right? So I will give you now 25 marks questions based on book. MCQ I will give from the books only, and SQ, BSQ I will just modify something and provide you, or take out your rough copy. Okay, understood or not? And my suggestion is, don't hesitate to write. Generally children, they don't want to write, but those who don't write, then they will suffer from halwa type, because every time you have to write or not. If you have got good writing, definitely you will win the race. I have taught many more students. I could still remember one girl, her name is Asta Maske. Asta Maske, I used to teach her home tuition. So before my entry, she used to be sitting in her place and keep on writing. And wherever there was problem, she used to ask me. And what I said, she just not only listened, she wrote also. Continue writing. When I departed also, she was writing. Now she is Nepal top in her field. Now she has joined architecture engineering. It's a bit tougher one. Many people, they become civil engineers. So civil engineers course is of 4 years.
5 years.
But architecture engineers is of 5 years. Okay. Architecture engineers, structural engineers, these are a bit more prestigious than other normal engineering, like computer engineering, civil engineering, electronic engineering. They are a bit weaker in comparison to those. So they need more rehearsal and practice. That's why please write down. If the teacher has given some question, even if you know, write down. Don't copy. You can understand. You can ask to your friends, please help me how to do. First understand, write in a rough copy, and later on you find your technique how to express, then express it. Because your expression and others expression not same. Here are 21 students. So 21 students, they deserve marks differently. Why? It's the matter of expression, no? Matter is like that. That's why don't feel lazy to write. Okay, children. Now let's begin our first day's activity. First day's activity. Now I will give you how many MCQ? 4 MCQ. Okay, 4 MCQ. Please write down the page number. Page number. Okay, it has come here, this chapter. This one. So page number, I don't know, some gas says A, B, C, D. These 4 only I am giving. A, B, C, D, okay? Not A. Only from one chapter is given, it's okay. Understood or not? Yes. So no need to Like today I will give from one, another day I will give from another one, in that way. Some gases MCQ. Now question answers. BSQ, right? Yes or no? Write one importance of greenhouse. What is one question? Write one importance of greenhouse. Second question. Write the full form of CFC. CFC, capital C, capital F, capital C. Write the full form of CFC. Third question. Write the function of promoter. Spelling of promoter is PROMOTER. Promoter. So these three also completed. Now our question pattern also quite easy. 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Yes or no? 4 MCQ and others 3, 3. Like this is also completed. Okay. Now children, I am going to provide you next one, that is of which one? SQ. Short questions. Short questions. Now I am going to provide you from this one. Okay. Convert the following word equation into balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. This also I am trying to give you from this one. Your book's page number and this slide's page number is different. That's why chapter is chemical reaction. I think your question may be this different. This number DEF. Is there DEF? You please find out. Mark in your own book. What is given there? DF is there? DF. Sridhar, sometimes you can rotate that side also, then other students what they are doing we can find out slowly. So this is completed. Now I have to give you LQ, long questions. Long questions will be given from this chapter. So 3-4 chapters it will be revised also. From which chapter I am trying to give you this classification of elements. Alright, one question is this one. This is one question. In your book, where is it? Page number? Because this book's page number and your book's page number is not same. Number E. Page number 333, number E. So here are 4 questions, right? So this is a bit tricky type question. You mark it. Now we'll discuss next question. Next question is that is differentiate between. Second question is differentiate between number A, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. 2 points you must find out. And second one is halogens and noble gases. Halogens and noble gases. So one more question is left, right? Yes or no? Now one more question I will give from this chapter. This is ICT. ICT. Yesterday also I had given some questions from ICT. Today also it came from here only. I think this net is a bit slow now because that it moves up, down. Is there any diagrammatic question?
Yes, sir.
Which number is that? Number 6. Number 6, what does it say? Yeah. Study the above pictures and write paragraphs about cyberbullying. That paragraph writing it doesn't come. Okay. Number A, cyberbullying affects mental health. Justify this statement. And next one is Mention any two measures to be safe from cyberbullying. Mention any two measures to be safe from cyberbullying. So this each question is of 2 marks. Okay, 2 to 4. Have you got 25 marks questions?
Yes.
First of all, read these questions, and how much you are able to answer, you try. Otherwise, find out from your mind and write down. I have noticed students, what do? After getting the question, immediately they start writing. It's not the good idea. Eh? First, read question, and whether you are able to solve yourself or not. If you can solve yourself, it's okay. You start with it. Otherwise, find out, mark, memorize, and write down. There is no any hard and fast. Understood or not? Sufficient time is there. Till SE, if you sleep 5 years, that is also okay. Understood or not? 5 hours, not years, 5 hours. Eh? In SE, there are only 4 months and 5 years. That's why 5 hours sleep is also okay, but 3 hours study is also okay. But it must be a full concentration. In our time, we were in section A, there were 60 students. In next section B, there were 60. Section C, 60. In village, one class had 180 students. 180. We were talented one because we had taken optional mathematics. Another group, they had taken health. Next group, they had taken economics. So they could not compete to us because we are so much talented in comparison to them. Because whatever the teacher used to explain, we used to pay attention, memorize, and express. But those Laddu Kalal, they used to ratify. Some persons I have noticed what they used to do. In our time, there was no electricity. There were tuki batti. In morning time, their nose used to be full of that black suit. And what happened? Reading whole night reading, and teachers used to beat them very badly also. Why? But they were not able to answer. That's why such type of reading is also not up to date. That's why focus, concentrate, and express. Okay? So you have got the questions. Please start doing it. And I also will check if the work is completed. Otherwise, just forward. Okay? Please.